At what point must an attorney withdraw? And I don't mean to put you on the spot because I know you're not an ethics attorney, but let's say you're in court and your client is on the stand. Now, presumably you've done depositions, you know what they're going to say. But let's say they get asked a question out of left field and they give an answer and you know that that is not a truthful answer. What is your take on what an attorney must do?
Well, I think that a lot of times people's memories aren't the best, and people
Okay,
don't always
fair.
remember what the right answer is. If you're in trial, it's a little bit too late to try and do any sort of withdrawal. If it's happening on cross-examination of your witness by opposing counsel, usually what you would do is you would sit there with a straight face and not make any sort of gesture to make
Right.
it seem like a point was made. But when you get an opportunity to ask your own questions on redirect or like, you can ask a question that clarifies what the truth is, or let me make sure that I heard you correctly when you said this. Can you tell us a little bit about, that situation? And once you do that, the witness will often say, oh, maybe I misspoke there. And you give them an opportunity and the breath to be able to clarify their own mistakes. And often I've done that for the other side as well, just to make sure that they actually meant to say the thing that they meant to say, because, there's gaffes all the time.
That's true. Such a smooth answer. This is why you're such a good trial attorney.